So this was the assignment I gave us for what was it called? How many months now? How many of us doing? Like if you created the FTA, created the Telegram account and you've been pasting your trades, just signify, let me know.
Yeah, I did my own. The FTMO account, that 10K account, I did to take up to $300 before the challenge expires. So the other day I was trying to place order. They said the challenge has expired. I think there was period I didn't trade. Yeah.
Okay.
So I couldn't use trade in that account again.
But did you have any challenges while you were trading? Like wait till you be see, like did you have any challenges we can talk together as a family or something?
No,
Oh,
no.
so
The only
every
thing, the only thing I noticed, the only thing I noticed was like their charges. Their charges was this was much.
I'm not
Something
telling her to
like
buy
that.
shall sure you
Maybe.
know.
Huh?
I'm not telling her to buy
No,
account.
not be to buy. No, no, no,
Uh-huh.
not be. No, no, not be to buy
Okay,
at
okay,
all.
all those
Like
swap charges.
if you play straight, yes, there are swap charges.
Okay,
It
overnight charges and
they
the
they a
rest.
bit high.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. I get.
Yeah.
See why I
Is
they
it like
bring
whether na their
idea.
commission
Mm,
enter? But
see
I
why I
think
they
their
bring
commission they high
idea
pass.
of prop, eh? Can we listen? See why they bring idea of prop. Most of us, we started with what's it called? We started with this idea of forex and one kind easy something. Do you get based on the year they show us by our mentor? I told us earlier now, our mentor then they show us $10,000 daily profit. That was far back COVID. How much been starting capital? No
Mm.
one bother to ask. We don't know. We just get the idea saying, okay, oh, anytime we don't learn forex finish now, we'll start to make our own 10K per month. Now my 50th with this now. The highest single money I've made from the market never reached $600. Like say single trading there, like okay, trade just gave my people on once on my live account. The highest I've made so far. 600 now crypto now give me 4K back then. Now when I head for months. So, like, what I notice with people is that we dey get issue with capital. Like most people, especially we Africans, they get issue with capital. We get the knowledge, fine, but the financial backings now to fit trade the market is not really, e not dey there much. Because one, most people will not believe in you. Say, okay, oh, Precious now they do forex now, okay now. May we support am, may we give am money. Nobody ready to believe in you. Sef. Rather, they will tell you, may you go do your normal finish school, do your MSc, blah, 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 find government work, do and all that. So this thing is a solo field on its own. Like, you not get helper when they come from somewhere, say, you won't give you money, may you carry trade to am or something. And raising capital currently go hard. Seriously, raising capital currently. With the way the country is going, just to survive now, say no man a problem on you. So why I could bring this idea of this FTMO now is like most of the time myself, like personally last year I did very okay to an extent. I funded close to 10, 15 persons, if not more. What do I mean? I be there okay. I see trades clearly that time. I had money, not be now I don't broke. So what's it called? I see one all these people when Sabi post good trade setups for some groups I be there that time. I gave them one mentor 500 USD account. My personal 500 USD, not be no, not be proper account to 500 to manage. Nothing came out. I gave another guy 500, nothing come out. I bought two proper account, 10K for two guys, nothing come out. Then I costly fund close to 8 different persons, 50 USD round, bro. Like everything, nothing come out. And the idea then was not be say I too get money per se. But like I just noticed most people they trade demo, they play they always post what's it called the trading view setup and all that now. So okay now. And since my hand they okay small now, so made the money go round. Like nothing came out. So the idea of me teaching us in this group now is just more like, okay, now this group of persons now, so now me carry my own hands teach you now. Do you get? So now wetin I dey trade, now una supposed to trade on the long run. The other guys now just groups and meet them. So me telling you guys to trade this FTMO account, I get plan for una once I don't get am clear again. But the one I call dey do now, do take trade or post trade for group make I dey see who dey active or join class or do this one. Oh yeah, just look for even 3 day the what's it called? The three candles and post on the group. Nothing. And all this 50-50 USD trading is not really not dey so ideal. What do I mean by it's not so ideal? You found 50 USD now. The chances of you making 50% of that account is what should I say? It dey low. Because you can take okay, let's say you have a 50 USD now, you want to you want to be reaching $5 per trade. The chances are there that you lose three trades minus $15 don comot already. And you need to chop, you need to do other things now. So instead of trading a what's it called? Instead of trading a $50 account when you fit blow at the next instance now, it's better you get a proper account. Proper account, they get smaller accounts. We have the Naira account, we have the USD account. Just that there are rules dem. So me now go also get better prop now when their rules go dey fair for everybody. And on a good day, sef, na me go carry my money pay just for us to trade. Then when money come out to split. But the way una dey do for the group, seriously, e dey tire me. E dey tire me seriously. I don teach una almost everything. Oh yeah, now just go through your trading view, like just go to the YouTube page now, watch the videos there, then start trading. Wetin we dey look? What do you do? Once you come to the chart every morning, it's just simple, na simple something. Once you come to the chart, your normal trading view, check all your pairs then. Check all your pairs then. You have your what's it called? USD card. Check all your pairs then. Pick your USD card. Just simple some. What you want check? Check your daily. My network on the worry. Okay. I think USD CHF lose CHF. Just look for what to trade. You don't need to do much. USD CHF, I don't see set up already now. Why I want just carry am explain this to give una so. What are you looking for? Just look for these are our 3 day stuff. If you check this thing now, so market don dey sell for long, meaning market has been bearish for a long while. In as much as market don dey sell for a long while now, so you come see this kind of thing, then there's a possibility that the market now will reverse for a while. Now there you want to engage. What do? You've seen your first tick candle already, which is our first trading criteria. You mark the low of the candle. You mark the high of that same candle. Once you marked it, you wait for a doji to form. Currently now, doji don close below already. So you anticipate higher prices. Once you've seen this thing, once you've seen this stuff on the daily time, what do? You switch to H1. Wetin you want find for H1? Just your buy or your sell structure. That's your impulse, correction, impulse. Then you look for either of those candles and you engage. Are we following?
Yes, yes.
My this thing don dey. I don't know. Okay, good. Once you are done with your higher time frame, you switch to your lower time. Wetin you dey find? Impulsive push, correction, impulse. That's for the buy market. For the sell market, impulsive push, correction, impulse. Once you've seen this structure, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I told us extreme where the first leg come from for either of those candles that we trade. If you see the candles, fine. You not see them, you try to settle. I just simplify this thing give una, but for una to even just dey check the post for group sef. Na what e come be like say na me dey force una to learn forex. It's not nice, seriously, it's not nice. Na me pay to learn forex. Na me cause dey wan force una to learn. How about now? So if you check here now, if you come to the H1 now, You can see we don't get impulsive push already. Correction, impulse. You go lower, you see something similar to that our candle there. See this one engulf the previous one. This one are still doji like something. You mark that extreme now. Extend as your point of entry. Then you place your, what's it called, your long position. Put them there. SL below. You target that high as your TP. Then once you are done with this technical aspect now, you go for your account sizing. What was it called? What's it be that web page that time?
My Facebook.
Okay, my FS, FS. I don't teach you now these things normal since before. Now what was it called? The SL there now is how many pips? Pick your, what was it called? These parts. I don't speak Isoko for class. Oh Jesus. Where that something price range to good. Pick your price range to, you measure how many pips. That's 8. Okay, let's say 10 pips now. Once you are done, you go to your position size calculator, do your stop. What will be this one? Oh God. Okay. What pair we did analyze? USD, CHF. So I don't show now almost everything. Just that I don't know wetin una dey wait for. Only me go show una everything finish. Cause e dey drop setups back to back. Oh yeah, create account and trade. All of una I no know. USD CHF. So now you have a 10K account, $10,000 account. Always swap with money. Then don't risk above 50. So let's say you are risking 50 USD now. The stop loss pip from here was 10 pips. Good. Come back here. That's 10 pips. Then this one you don't touch it to calculate. So you know the actual lot size to use. That's it. Now you use lot 0.39. So meaning this trade now is a 6 arrow trade. Risk to reward is 6 arrow. If this thing now should hit TP, you are making 6 times 50. Shey na 30 be that now. People ain't sabi maths. Eh?
300.
300 now. If you reach $50
Uh, eh?
times 6 arrow, that's 300 USD. And the target, the
Yeah.
target, the target to pass that, what was it called? The target to pass that 10K account is around 10%, or 8% now. So if you get just two, three clear trades, if you don't pass this thing. But that will not see me say you dey get clear trades every time. But what am I trying to say? Like, get the idea. You know what to look at on the charts. Size your account properly. No risk much. No risk much. If you lose two trades, sef, you are still in order. Okay, okay, you can still even come down to what's it called, risking $20 per time, and you are still good. So make we try small like us. E go be like say na me dey force una to learn. E go be like say I too know abi I wan force knowledge on people. E no come dey make sense to me seriously. NZD USD. So let's try. This year don end finish already. So you check NZD USD too. The same thing. See am. The same stuff has happened. See your tick candle, doji don form. So you expect sales possibly to come and take out this low. Are we following? From there, now what do? You switch to your H1 time frame. Which you want find? The cell structure. See am, it's clear. See the origin of this last impulsive push. It's been taken already. It don't go already. This one don't go. Impulse, correction, impulse. What he did there, so that's a nice hammer candle. Hammer, being inverted hammer, which I don't know. That's it. The same thing. Once you've seen that stuff now, you know your target. You place your sell short position. Put on for there. SL always above. How many RR with this? See am again, 1 to 6. So just two, 3 trades. Two, three at most. Okay, even 5 trades safe. You pass the account and you're good. So why would not they trade? Like why? Because I will do this thing finish. I will drop my setup from the group. Una do now drop yeah. So what's the problem? What did they happen? Because this year don't finish already. So because my plan was from January, so we'll take the group really serious, but up till now, I know they feel the vibe to do anything for una again, self, like seriously, they tire me. Seriously, like it's tiring. So waiting really be the problem. What's the issue? Is it that the classes I'm too fast? Abi una they so busy, abi una no want trade again, abi we should like let's talk. What's the issue? What's the issue?
I have some challenges. So
Eh?
I have some challenges. Once I be analyze with trading view.
How many years have you been trading?